went to my mailbox to grab the mail, and the cicada was right on the handle of my mailbox. And I went, reached for the handle and wound up with a cicada in my hand. It caught me off guard. I didn't know what it was at first. It fell to the ground. And some type of cicada, I don't know. I'm not an expert on cicadas, but I got praying mantises that are hungry and a yellow garden spider. I'm like, well, but I didn't want to do that to them. Throw them in the life cycle is just too fascinating on these bugs to have his fate ended like that, in my opinion. So I know they like to sing in the top of trees, and he can climb up the tree now. He sing his ass off. Talk to you later.